The digitization of industries is hard, and it's not something you can do as a company on your own. You have to work with your partners, your suppliers, and your customers to do so. And that makes it a very complex challenge. And it's easy to just put it in a small project, when in reality you have to infuse digital in your entire business model.
From my point of view, it comes very much from our business model. We have a very hard-coded business model handling transactional business today, and it really has to change in all aspects. So that is the most important area where we need to transform. I think it's extremely important to be open with all your partners. You need to have another type of discussion, not the traditional discussion where you just talk about, I'm in this business, I have this product. You need to open up and discuss, I have these capabilities, I have these relations, and in this ecosystem context, these are the important things to discuss.
In metals and mining, where we act, digitalization, automation, robotics is the only way forward for us in terms of improving productivity, lowering our cost, and stay competitive.
I think one of the main challenges is the organizational change and to make the organization mature about understanding digitalization and the profit we can gain from it.
So far, it's already inspired us in many different areas, and hopefully the project in itself will give us ideas of how to nurture and how to improve our ecosystems of suppliers, and also how our suppliers could collaborate more between each other as well.
Well, what helped us a lot is actually to start small, start with one customer and one distributor, building a solution close to the customer, and then iterate to the next best solution, and start doing it, both from a technical perspective, but also commercially start building the model. And once the model works, you can start rolling it out to other areas. But start small, and also hire the right people for the job. And I would say those two things are key.
Besides getting an understanding of how other companies are doing, this is of course interesting, academia, other companies, I hope that we will come down to more specific recommendations of how we as a company could benefit from the digital transformation. We are experimenting in the area, I would say now, and we show both internal efficiencies, but in some instances we do it with our customers and partners as well.
Of course, we like to understand what we can do more in our digital initiatives, and also to learn about how we can globalize this. What is the challenges? What is the differences in between markets?
So what DigIn really helps is they work with the other players in the industry ecosystem, and they can also give us good ideas of where this industry is heading in other types of industries. And from that we can learn a lot. The other area where you can really help is in terms of building that ecosystem of collaboration between these partners, like we did today, exchanging ideas between different parts of the ecosystem.
I would say that DigIn and many other academic projects, research projects going on right now, can be of great help to business, and in particular when they are working closely with the industry, to really be close to reality and to research on what is going on within the industrial transformations. So it can really be hands-on knowledge for the industries to use in their work. So that's where I'm looking forward to DigIn and coming to interesting conclusions which can be used by the Swedish industry.